How we doing, guys? It's Joe from Jordan Bikes. Today we've got for sale this gorgeous Ducati Supersport S 939. 937cc. Cool bike. Looks fantastic. Sounds fantastic as well. So this one's a 2017 on a 67 plate. It's done 6,997 miles. It's a one owner bike. It was new in December 2017. So there's plenty of Ducati warranty left on it. Lovely bike, really comfortable to ride. They've got a bit of a bar riser on these. You've got Brembo brakes. Being the S, you've got Ohlins front and rear suspension. This one's got a Ducati and Delkevic exhaust on it. It's got that seat cowl as well. ABS, traction control. You've got a Quickshifter. That little lovely digital speedo there. It's a cool bike. Really light, really nimble. Give it a quick start up for you. Beast. Sounds incredible, does that? Anyway, so if you want to buy this bike, all you need to do, pop down to Jordan Bikes or just simply give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.